This video will show you how to install your replacement vinyl cam lock and top mount keeper. First, unlock the window and unscrew one side of the lock and loosen the other screw. Next, swing the lock body until you can see the hole from the screw you removed. Now, reinsert the screw into the hole. This is an important step, as having both screws removed at the same time can result in the metal stiffener shifting in the meeting rail. Unscrew the other screw and remove the lock. Reverse these steps to install the new lock, always being careful to leave one screw in. If you need to replace the keeper, you will need to now remove the sash. Watch our video on sash removal and replacement for details. Unscrew one side of the keeper and loosen the other screw. Next, swing the keeper until you can see the hole from the screw you removed. Reinsert the screw into the hole. This is an important step, as having both screws removed at the same time can result in the metal stiffener shifting. Now unscrew the other screw and remove the keeper. Reverse these steps to install the new keeper, always being careful to leave one screw in. Finally, reinstall the sash and test for operation. For additional information and complete written instructions for tasks depicted in this video, visit www.jeld-wen.com, or if you have questions, call us at 1-800-JELD-WEN.